हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हमने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में देखा है दैट मेल गैमेट is present in the pollen grain and the female gamete is present in the embryo sac. Now these gametes are non-motile and they will have to meet so that fertilization take place. So how is this achieved? The first event for this to happen is pollination. So let's understand what is pollination. So pollination क्या है? Pollination is the process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma. So pollen grains जो है ना, those are released from the anther and they are transferred to the stigmatic surface, right? Pollination is of three kinds. First one being autogamy. Autogamy मतलब self pollination. Auto refers to self here. So यहाँ पे the pollination occurs within the same flower. So autogamy is transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of same flower. What is required here is synchrony. Synchrony मतलब यहाँ पे एंथर डिहाइस होगा, पोलन ग्रेन रिलीज होंगे एंड उसी टाइम पे स्टिग्मा जो है वो रिसेप्टिव होना चाहिए टू रिसीव द पोलन ग्रेन्स, राइट? नाउ द फ्लावर्स विच शो ऑटोगैमी are of two types, chasmogamous flower and clistogamous flower. Chasmogamous flowers क्या होते हैं? These are the flowers which are similar to the flowers of other species with exposed anther and stigma. On the other hand, जो clistogamous flowers होते हैं, these flowers do not open at all. ये flowers में होता क्या है? Anther and stigma they lie close to each other. जब anther dehisce होगा flower bud में, pollen grains will come in contact with the stigma and because of which pollination is achieved, right? So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? जो pollen grain है वो कहीं पे जाएगा नहीं, बड मतलब फ्लावर क्लोज कंडीशन में ही है. सो शॉर्ट यहाँ पे pollination होगा ही and that will result in the formation of fruit and seed. So that is an advantage of clistogamy, right? Now moving ahead and talking about geitonogamy. Geitonogamy मतलब क्या? Geitonous मतलब neighbor. यहाँ पे जो pollen grains है they are transferred from anther to stigma of another flower but on the same plant. मतलब यहाँ पे दो flowers involved है but both the flower are present on the same plant. तो यहाँ पे जो pollination हो रहा है it is genetically self pollination only, क्योंकि दोनों flower एक ही plant के हैं, तो so there is no genetic variation being created. The third type of pollination is xenogamy. Xeno मतलब stranger, right? So xenogamy is transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of a different plant. मतलब two different flowers which are situated on two different plants. Xenogamy requires pollinating agents about which we'll be discussing in the next video.